All right, what's up, guys? Magus here. Today is September 9th of 2020. Gonna do some Ethereum analysis. So just pointing out the obvious, after ETH did a pretty crazy run up to 480 bucks, we broke down pretty hard to sub 310. We have our areas of value: 430, 420, from 400 to 380, and from 350 to 330. These are the important areas. After we broke down, we built ourselves up a nice base here, built up some good value, getting consecutive higher highs on the low time frame. I think that it's a pretty high probability that we're going to get a trend day breakout into the previous comp. This is going to be a high probability fade probably. This is the first area where I expect us to fail. If we're somehow able to not fail there and accept into this, I think that the next target is going to be up here, 420. This is probably going to be the highest probability trade we're going to get because I don't think it's going to get through this. If somehow price does get through and shops up here, you don't want to be short anymore, right? If it reaccepts into this range, it's pretty much telling us that the bull trend is going to continue. If you're a bear and you see price up here, you want to see it get smacked down really quickly. And if there's any time spent up here, you don't want to be short anymore, in my opinion. So basically, the three setups that I see for more swing trade basis are going to be fade here, or break out of this value, retest, and fade there, which I guess probably wouldn't be a fade, and more of a momentum play. Anyways, those are the three high probability setups that I see. I probably will swing short onto one of the fades up higher when I see the opportunity. And, I'm going to continue to do my bread and butter scalping intraday, play the small moves over and over again on ETH. Apart from the areas of value, we have a naked POC at 430 or $403 rather. Who knows if it needs to be tested or not. I could see a scenario where we test this value, we wick up into the POC, get rejected, and then that could be the fade. There's a lot of singles and tails. Some of them matter, some of them don't. Frankly, I don't really know if a lot of these are going to matter. These are pretty far out of the way. They're pretty irrelevant in my opinion. Um, yeah, there isn't really much in the way of anomalies that really sticks out to me. The biggest one really is probably just going to be from the breakdown. 418-ish, 419. That's probably a pretty important single, I would say. But with these environments, we don't need to fill these in. When we're in a range-bound mean reversion market where price is compressing, and continue to compress, these anomalies seem to matter a lot. But when we're in an environment like now where we're more trend-based, I don't think they matter as much. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much my take. I think that high probability fade, high probability fade. Any time spent in here, and I don't want to be short anymore. The more time spent, the more bullish it becomes. And if price is able to somehow accept into this upper range up here, it becomes incredibly bullish in my eyes again, and we'll be going net long again on ETH. Um, until then, I'm gonna try to remain agnostic on it and just do my intraday trades and keep taking what the market gives me. The market's given a lot of opportunity lately, and yeah, let's not sleep on it. So get out there and get your bread. Cheers, guys.